How to connect Cash App to Twitch. If you're streaming on Twitch and want to give your viewers a direct way to tip you without losing a massive cut to platform fees, Cash App is perfect. Twitch doesn't have an official native button for it in their backend dashboard, but setting up a clean workaround takes less than 2 minutes. So first you need to grab your unique payment link. So open up your Cash App on your phone, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Right under your display name, you'll see a unique cash tag. It's going to look something like this. And then just tap the share button right next to it and select copy. This grabs your direct payment URL link so your viewers can open your secure profile with a single click. After that, you just need to log into Twitch on your computer, go to your channel page and click your About tab. Flip the edit panel switched on. Scroll down to the bottom, click the giant plus sign box, and add a new text or image panel. So for instance, I will show you this on my channel. So you go into edit mode. In here you can, as you can see, set your about and links, edit them. And as you can see here, you can just put your links for your donations through Cash App. And that's all it takes to get your transaction link live on your page. That is it. Enjoy the guide as always, and thank you for watching.